All right, so in this tutorial, I'm going to be taking you on how you can create a new YouTube channel for your content. So to get started, the first thing you are going to do is you simply open your YouTube app. Make sure you are logged into your YouTube app. Let me show you. So you simply search for your YouTube app on your phone. So now this is the YouTube app. All right, you open YouTube app, make sure it's up to date. Go to Play Store and update it to the latest. All right, so make sure that is done, update to the latest, and then after that you make sure you're logged in here. Where you see these buttons below, make sure you see where you see this U here. If you click here, I'm logged into one of my channels. So make sure you are logged in. All right, you can always click here to switch to another channel, but make sure you are logged into the particular channel you want to use. All right, so if you want to switch, you simply click here and then select any of your channel from here. All right, so now you can, after you've done that, the next thing you will do, the next thing you are going to do is, when once this is open, you can always, I just want to show you how you can make it very easy if you want to create a channel. Now what you do, you go to Play Store, head over to Play Store and download YouTube Studio. That's the software you use to manage your YouTube channel. So you should simply head over to Play Store and then simply just search for YouTube. That's the name of the software, YouTube. So once you search for it, you're going to see it here. This is YouTube Studio. All right, these are the icon looks like. So you simply install it, and then once you've installed it, you can open it. So in this case, I'm now opening it. So once you open it, opens to the particular this thing you can use, your particular channel you want to use. So to simply rename this channel, what do? You simply just come here at the top here, click here, and then click on, you see this button here with this edit, button here, just click on it, and then you can now come here, click on this edit button again, and then you can rename your channel from here. Just give it a name. Give it any name you want to give it. You can rename it twice within 2 weeks. You can rename it twice within 2 weeks. After you've done that, you just click on save. So that is how you simply just create your channel. It's very easy. It's as easy as that. Now, if you want to customize your channel, if you want to add picture, you can just click here. You want to add your profile picture, click here, and then pick any of these. But I'm not going to change it. Pick any of your picture you have on your phone you want to use as your channel picture, profile picture. You can change that, and then you can equally change this background here. So you simply just click here, and then choose from your photos. Choose a channel. This thing, you pick any of your picture, and that is how you replace your channel background. So here, description. You can come here and add description for your channel. You can equally change the handle. You can just click here. The handle is just like your email at MLXChess. That's the name of the channel. So you can just put a handle and then give a description here. So as soon as you've done that, that's how you create a channel. It's very easy, very simple. It's not difficult for you to create a channel. All right. So that is how you do that. So we shall be looking at how to actually create a reaction video. If you want to create a reaction video, I'm going to be coming up with that videos later, and also how to create professional videos for your channel. So we shall be coming up with that later on. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, share this video to your friend. God bless you.